Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It is 20 past 1 and it is, get the date up here, 12th of February. Just a quick catch up. These are my Delphiniums that I dug up yesterday and divided. This is from one plant, so I've got 7 plants. As you can just see here, quick close it, just see really firm, nice, juicy buds. So hopefully all these will grow this year, which will be absolutely fantastic. At the back there, I think they're Thompson and Morgan plug plants from last year. As you can see, the shoots are coming up nicely. I'm going to take that out probably tomorrow, get onto the bench and clean all the top up and see if the I think it's the Echinacea in the middle, see if that's going to grow as we come round. I shall just say hello, monkey. Hello, Paul. How are you doing? Fine, thank you. Good on you, monkey. Here's some beautiful mint. Just rub that. Absolutely divine. Spearmint. And if you look at the top here, these are some 10-week stocks. I have some pinks, some carnations there. Gypsophilia growing well, and some Echinacea, which is nice. Here we go. Here, these are lemon balm. Next to them, we have some Delphiniums. No. Here we have some agapanthus. At the back there, some phlox. Some, if you can read that. 4 should be the 4 there, but only one's growing. So we shall spin round here, and on the top here, this is really shot up. Yeah, that's really nice. That absolutely spot on. Really pleased with how well that's grown. Yeah, Echinacea. I think I got 3 there. That's the first one. Second one's there. The shoots are starting to come on that one. Starting to go on that one, and the last one, Echinacea. I think 3 of them were lupins actually. I've just give these a good feed today. Look at this. This is absolutely shot up. Let's just get this down here. That's just knocked my toilet tubes over. These are petunias from last year. These were Thompson and Morgan plug plants. I fetched them in before the frost. A lot of people think these are annuals. They are actually not hardy perennials. As long as you fetch them in before the first frost. And I always give them a really good trim by me. And it's took this long for them to grow, but they are looking really, really well now. And I shall start taking some cuttings off them. So as you can see there, the beans sprayed for powdery mildew. Obviously got a big dose of that, so they've had 2 sprays of that, but that seems to have got on top of it. Let's try to get this back on. And then we have my sweet peas here that have been nipped out, and they're just starting to fatten up nicely now. Here's my other Petunia. I don't know what variety this is, but that's looking really nice and healthy now. A lot of cutting material there. So I'm going to be taking a lot of cuttings off these 2 plants soon. Then we have the bottom here. These are my lupins. Only got 4 out of probably 20 seeds, which is not really good, but it was my fault. I had the propagator set too high. I basically cooked them. Have a look here. We have Rudbeckia, marigolds and petunias. I'll probably be potting these up today or tomorrow. The marigolds, just give them a water. The petunias looking really well, and the Rudbeckia looking really nice. So a gentle turn round, and then we have here one dianthus, the rest are cornflowers at the back, perennials. Then we have the bascum at the front here, snow maiden. These all just had a feed. Some more petunias. So my baskets are going to be absolutely chock-a-block full this year, which I'm so looking forward to. Just trying to find a little bit of powdery mildew on one of these leaves. Because I've sprayed them twice. Because it looks like it's done a really good job actually. I'm really pleased with that. We have a carnation that I grew from seed. Look at this now. This is looking absolutely beautiful. Look at the flower buds on there. A lot of cutting material here. Taking a lot of cuttings from this year. Then behind them we have Delphiniums at the back there, and we have pelargoniums, which I took some cuttings from, and some penstemons. And as we go around here, some dahlias that I grew from seed last year. You can see they're looking really well. Then I have some spring onions and some radishes, and then 3 pots full of rose cuttings at the back there. We come up under here. I love going on greenhouse on Saturday. You forget how much stuff has actually grown. I was actually compare it from the video from the week before. Well, 5 dahlia cuttings. I tried to take some a few weeks ago, but they just weren't big enough, the shoots. At the back there, 4 dahlia tubers, getting ready to kick into action. And I have my little dahlia tubers now. You can just see the new growth there, which is great. And then we go down here. These some more cornflowers. I was going to check that compost away. I thought, no, carry on feeding it, and look what's come up. Some more flowers, which I'm really appreciated. Let's kneel down here, folks. These are my show date begonias, as you can see here. I put these on the top propagator on the heat mats, and that gets them going. As soon as they start into life, I fetch them down here, give them some feed, and they should end up looking as good as that one. Which, look at the growth on that. But yeah, we have 6 tomatoes here, which I've already had to treat for green fly. It doesn't matter. Some freesias. I thought I was only going to get 1 out. I think I planted 5 in each one, but some are just late coming, but they're going to look really good. So at the back there, looking really nice. Some more dahlias here. These have only been in a few days, these dahlia tubers. That one's been in a couple of weeks. I've already taken several cuttings off that. But look at that one, a couple of days and already started to grow. But yeah, my pelargoniums, one from the back there, I got that 2 or 3 years ago, I think from Fabrics Nurseries, and I've taken several cuttings off it. This beautiful fuchsia here, I'm going to take some cuttings off that because that flower's absolutely divine. And there's 3 pelargoniums that I got, I think last year. Yep, I've taken some cuttings off them and they're all looking great. So here we have, these started growing. These are my cosmos, so I took it off the heat bench, put them onto the normal bench at the top, and I just overwatered them, started to rot, so I fetched them back under the heat, as you can see, and get some new growth, and they start to enjoy it again. Then my cosmos. So yeah, and then I have under here some calendula, violet, and Nemsia. As you can see, they're all just starting to grow nicely. It's a really nice propagator, this. I'm making a video on this over the next few days. I've been sent a couple of these, so I'll be reviewing them, which I'm looking forward to, but not this time. So yeah, that's a quick catch up and a quick look around my greenhouse. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I hope happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Say goodbye, monkey. Goodbye, Paul. Goodbye, monkey. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. Thank you. Bye.